Connecting the MiG-2 receiver. It was handy to have as a synchronizing tool, but the sound from the Action 4 was actually so good that I preferred to use the Action 4 sound rather than the one from MiG-2. Turning on the RC2 first, then insert the receiver from MiG-2 and then turn on the drone. And not to forget, start the screen recording.
Home point updated.
Okay, today we'll test a little bit obstacle detection and also return to home. Let's get this bird down. This is really sketchy what I'm going to do now, because it's a lot of small branches in here and I'm very unsure of if it can detect all the small branches and if it can get the way out of where I'm going to go now. Okay, I see I forgot to put on the lid on the rear. Let's see then. At least if I go here, it should be reasonable clear above. Let's see what it does if I press return to home. And
Return to home.
wow! Okay. I am impressed. This is the craziest thing I've seen.
Landing.
Let's see how the landing is. Oh, that is that is so just extremely amazing. I've never seen anything like that. That is truly impressive. Let's do some more.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Let's see if we can detect the wires above here, but I really don't dare just flying it over without being close to it. So I'm walking over. Okay, I'm close. Will it detect them? Yeah, what will I do if I... Okay, it went below. Okay. That's also very good. Then I'll try something probably stupid. But let's see how it goes. But it seems like the constant updating of home point is actually creating a route to get back home. What if I go inside of this small goal? What will it do if I press return to home? Oh, yeah, I'm not sure if that's a very wise decision though. Okay, won't let me get any longer in If I turn it outside like this, do I get further back? No. If I press return to home now, what does it do?
Return to home.
Okay. Yeah. No more proof. That's great. Let's do some more obstacle sensing then. There's some small branches over here as well. What will it do if I fly underneath this tree here, under the branches there, and press return to home? What will it do? Okay, let's see now.
Return to home.
Oh, cool. Okay, stop. Oh, that's incredible. I must admit that initial thoughts that the return to home wasn't that great. That's proven to be wrong by me. It's really great. And look at how smooth it turns. And how steady. It's beyond amazing. Will it go through this small path here with me? Okay. That's cool. Look here. Yeah. There's some power in these propellers. This should be impossible. Let's see what it does then. What I will do, I will let it turn in there. And then go back again. But now I definitely will have to hold the finger on the pause button, because there's no way it can go up here. What will it do?
Return to home.
Oh, I don't believe it. This is totally unbelievable. It remembers the path it came in. Okay, I stop it there. Oh, I'm truly impressed. This is just an amazing drone. What about the small branch here then? If I go straight for it, okay, went above. I have more small branches here, but this is just unbelievable. Now I do understand why it's updating home points all the way. It's actually creating a return path if I decide to go home. These are the thin branches that I actually chopped off a little bit last time. Okay, it went underneath. Probably better condition now. What about it's really good condition for the drone to be in if I do return to home from here. What does it do?
Return to home.
Oh, no. Okay. No, I really can't believe this. This is so amazing. Let's do a last return to home stunt before I finish today. Just testing this wire just to make sure that it actually detects the wire before I fly into it. Okay, went above. Then let's go underneath this tree and see what it does when I do return to home. Okay, let's do return to home now, which is over there.
Return
What
to home.
will it do? Okay, it's faster than me, so I have to move a little bit. We'll still see it.
Landing.
I've been flying quite a lot now, so we'll still find the home point correctly. It looks good. Definitely looks good. Oh yeah, on the spot. Great.